What up to the Vader fans? What up to the Vader team? Yo, man, today we out here shooting something nice, something very nice, something new, so I hope you like it. I'd like to say thank you to Chef Zen for coming through, blessing us with the content. Matlala for thank you for allowing us to use your kitchen, Dimamzo. When you watch this, I know you're gonna love it. So no. But otherwise, guys, that's good night. Asambe nso wana ngapakathi ke. Chef times. Asambe.
Hi guys, igama Zenande. I'm a chef from the Eastern Cape, born and raised. I grew up in a family of major foodies. Everyone loves to eat, everyone loves to cook, and cooking has always been a thing in our family that if you're on dinner duty, you show up and show off. Because if you miss your turn, it's over. So mostly I cook things that taste good to me. Like I won't feed you something that I won't eat, you know? And I was influenced, I'd say, greatly by Asian cooking. I'm so obsessed with those flavors right now. But also just the homey and heartiness of all the meals that my dad made. My dad is an amazing cook. He's a very simple man, but it's always filled with flavor. You can taste the love. You can just see and day and night. You know, food brings me comfort, but I added my professional skills to that, and I just want South African food, South African cooking, South African cooks, foodies, chefs, everyone who loves food to grow, and for the world to see what South Africa has as a whole to offer other than like boboti. Dish or serve food or like eat with abantu, it's that they can taste that I was doing this out of love. I love what I'm doing. I love to cook. I love to feed people. I love abantu as a whole. you know, like I wanna, whatever I produce to be backed by my heart and soul, but also the fact that like, I'm a boss ass chef. Like, I know that for sure, you know. To the team that helped me, Vader Productions. Yeah, thank you.
And cut.